Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best walking shoes. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the walking shoes in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. The hidden word is stride. We will pick a winner and notify them when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best walking shoes on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Skechers Women's Gowok Lite. The Skechers Women's Gowok Lite kicks off our list with a budget-friendly option for casual walkers. These slip-on shoes are designed for lightweight comfort, featuring a breathable mesh upper and a cushioned insole. They're great for short walks or daily errands, with a flexible sole that supports natural movement. However, some users note that the arch support is minimal, which might not suit those with high arches or plantar fasciitis. Durability is another concern, as the sole can wear down quickly with heavy use. Priced around $50, these are a solid entry-level choice for women seeking a simple, no-fuss walking shoe. But for longer distances or more demanding conditions, you might want to look higher up the list. Number 9. Bernal sneakers for women. Next up, the Bernal sneakers for women offer a stylish yet functional option for casual walking. These sneakers feature a breathable mesh upper and a lightweight design, making them ideal for warm weather. The non-slip sole provides decent traction, and the cushioned insole offers moderate comfort for daily wear. They're priced around $40, which makes them one of the more affordable options on this countdown. However, the sizing can be inconsistent, with some users reporting they run small, so you may need to size up. Additionally, the materials feel a bit less durable compared to pricier brands, and heavy walkers might find the cushioning lacks longevity. Still, for casual use or short strolls, these sneakers get the job done with a trendy look. Coming at number 8, Yetuho men's running shoes. At number 8, we have the Yetuho men's running shoes, a versatile pick for men who want a shoe that can handle both running and walking. These shoes boast a breathable mesh upper and a shock-absorbing sole, which helps reduce impact during longer strides. Priced around $45, they're a budget-friendly option with a sleek, athletic design. The lightweight construction is a plus for all-day wear, but some users mention that the insole lacks sufficient arch support, which could be an issue for those with flat feet. Durability is also a mixed bag, as the upper material can show signs of wear after a few months of regular use. If you're after a multi-purpose shoe on a budget, these are worth considering, but they're not the most robust option on our list. Coming at number 7, Sherook Women's Slip-On Walking Shoes. The Sherook Women's Slip-On Walking Shoes come in at number 7, offering a sock-like fit for women who prioritize ease and comfort. These slip-ons feature a breathable mesh upper and a non-slip rubber sole, making them great for casual walks or light workouts. The lightweight design and flexible sole provide a barefoot-like feel, and they're priced around $55, which is reasonable for the features. Users praise the comfort for short to medium walks, but the cushioning can feel thin for extended periods on hard surfaces. Some also note that the sizing runs narrow, so wide-footed walkers might need to look elsewhere. For those who value a snug slip-on design, these shoes are a solid contender, though they don't excel in high-impact scenarios. Number 6. Z-Top Water Shoes Men's Women Barefoot Shoes. Landing at number 6 are the Z-Top Water Shoes, a unisex option designed for versatility in wet and dry conditions. These barefoot-style shoes feature a quick-drying mesh upper and a grippy rubber sole, making them ideal for beach walks, water sports, or light hiking. Priced around $40, they're a budget-friendly choice for outdoor enthusiasts. The wide toe box promotes natural foot movement, and the lightweight design feels barely there. However, the minimalist cushioning might not suit everyone, especially for long-distance walking on pavement. Some users also report that the shoes can feel snug if you don't order a half size up. If you're looking for a water-friendly shoe with a barefoot feel, these are a great pick, but they're not built for heavy-duty walking. Coming in at number 5, Skechers Men's Gowok Flex Hands-Free Slip-Ins. At the halfway mark, the Skechers Men's Gowok Flex Hands-Free Slip-Ins bring a game-changing feature, a laceless, hands-free design. These slip-ins feature a breathable mesh upper, Skechers air-cooled memory foam insole, and lightweight Ultra-Go cushioning. The exclusive heel pillow ensures a secure fit, and the flex pillars add extra support. Priced around $80, they're a mid-range option with premium comfort. Users rave about the ease of slipping them on and off, making them perfect for busy lifestyles or those with mobility issues. They're great for long walks, with excellent cushioning and breathability. However, some find the sizing slightly off, and the sole might not be durable enough for rugged terrains. For men seeking convenience and comfort, these slip-ins are a standout. Coming at number 4, Skechers Women's Gowok Joy Sneaker. The Skechers Women's Gowok Joy Sneaker takes the number 4 spot with its blend of style and all-day comfort. Featuring a breathable mesh upper, 5-gen cushioning, and a Goga Max high rebound insole, these sneakers are designed for walking and casual wear. Priced around $65, they offer great value for the quality. Users love the lightweight feel and responsive cushioning, which make them ideal for long walks or standing all day. The vegan design and machine-washable feature add to their appeal. However, some note that the arch support could be better, and the white soles can get dirty quickly. For women who want a reliable, stylish walking shoe with easy maintenance, the Gowok Joy is a fantastic choice. Number 3, Bernal Women's Slip-On Canvas Sneaker. Coming in at number 3, the Bernal Women's Slip-On Canvas Sneaker offers a classic look with modern comfort. These sneakers feature a durable canvas upper, a cushioned memory foam insole, and a non-slip rubber sole. Priced around $50, they're an affordable yet stylish option for casual walkers. The slip-on design is convenient, and the padded collar adds extra comfort around the ankle. Users appreciate the versatility, as these shoes pair well with jeans or athleisure wear. They're great for medium-length walks, but heavy use might wear down the canvas faster than synthetic materials. Some users also mention that the sizing runs slightly large. For women seeking a timeless, budget-friendly sneaker, the Bernal delivers on both style and comfort. Coming at number 2, Aboose Women's Slip-On Sneakers. At number 2, the Aboose Women's Slip-On Sneakers impress with their lightweight design and all-day comfort. These sneakers feature a breathable knit upper, a shock-absorbing EVA sole, and a cushioned insole for arch support. Priced around $60, they're a strong mid-range option for women who walk or stand for long periods. Users praise the non-slip sole and the flexibility, which make them suitable for gym workouts or casual strolls. The sleek design also earns points for style, and the shoes are easy to clean. However, some note that the knit material can stretch over time, and wide-footed users might find them snug. For a versatile, comfortable slip-on, the Aboose sneakers are hard to beat. Number 1, Cernial Women's White Tennis Shoes. Taking the top spot are the Cernial Women's White Tennis Shoes, a premium choice for style, comfort, and durability. These sneakers feature a breathable mesh upper, a memory foam insole with arch support, and a non-slip rubber sole designed for traction. Priced around $70, they offer excellent value for a high-quality walking shoe. Users rave about the cushioning, which supports long walks or all-day wear without discomfort. The sleek white design is versatile, pairing well with casual or athletic outfits, and the materials are easy to clean. Some users mention that the shoes require a short break-in period, but once broken in, they feel like a dream. For women seeking the best all-around walking shoe, the Cernial delivers on every front. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best walking shoes. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you liked this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.